Coughing is a natural reflex of the body. It helps clear the airways of irritants. When something irritates the throat, signals are sent. This irritation can come from dust, smoke, or germs. The body responds by triggering a cough. Coughing expels air rapidly to remove the irritant. It can also be a sign of an underlying condition. Coughs can be treated with home remedies or medication. Warm liquids can soothe an irritated throat. Staying healthy can reduce the frequency of coughs.